Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Again, I am Eduardo Golpan, and guys, I created this video because one of my viewers asked me how to split the column in Microsoft Access. Just like this one, guys. As you can see, the name of the column is product name, but the contents is supplier and also the name of the product. So what I did is I split this column into two columns, the supplier column and also the name of the products. By the way, guys, there are two methods in splitting the column. We can use the BBE, and for me, this is the easiest one. And in the second option or the second method is using the function inside the query. So let us start with the BBE code, guys. Let us close this and let us create Visual Basic. So let's type function, and then the name of the function is, like for example, split column, and first is the string products as string. Okay, and then the second one is string again, supplier or name as string also, in close parenthesis, then as string. So for the split column. So now let us add the dim er column. By the way, er, this is refers to array of the split function. So as variant. So let's put here array. Okay, and then next is dim string result as string also. Now let us put the value of array or the er column. So equals, so this is it, guys, the split function. So split, so the first or the string, guys, is this one, the str products. Let's put string products and comma to proceed another parameter. So the next is the delimiter. Our delimiter is that one, because this one, guys, hyphen or dash. So next, let's go to select case, and we will select here supplier or name. So string supplier or name. So first case, for example, case supplier. So the string result is equals to er column. Let's put 0. Why 0, guys? Because this is the first column. So the supplier column. So because in counting in Microsoft Access, guys, it's not counting start from 1. So it's not 1, 2, 3. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. So another case, for example, name of the products. So the result would be er column. So this is the second column. And what if there are for 3 columns, but we don't have that one? So let's put case else, if in case, but the result is null. We will save in null or no. Okay, and don't forget to put and and select. Okay, and now we have to declare the value of this split column. So copy and equals str result. That's it, guys. So now let us check if it is really works. Close this and let us create a new query. Drag this within the code, the product name, and let's try. So this is the data, and let's put the first, which is the supplier. Let's put supplier split column And then this one, the product name. And let's put supplier and enclose. So let's try. Okay, it's working, guys. Supplier. So now let's proceed to the second one. Shift F2, or else, guys, if you forgot, just right click and then click the zoom. Okay, so let's put name. So split again, split column. Again, name, product name, comma, and then let's name this to name. Okay, just like this one, guys. Name, the second column. Click OK, and here you go. So this is it, guys. So this is the first method, guys. And let us try. Let, for example, AD is 9. And then supplier G dash work. When we enter or proceed to another, okay, as you can see, automatically transferred to its designated column. So this is the first method for me, the easiest method. And in the second one, guys, if you don't like BBE code, so we will try the query. Now, guys, let us proceed to the second method, which is using the query. So go to create menu, query design, bring the product table, and then bring it down, and also the product name. Let's try. Okay. So first thing to do, guys, in this kind of method is we will count the number of characters using the len function. If you do not know how to use the len function, you can watch my video about this. I will put the link below. So let us right click and then zoom so that we can clearly see the formula or the function. So let's type total count total character. So len, we will count this product name. So let's type product name and then okay, enclose. Let us check. So this is it, guys, including space. So let's go back to the design view. Now let us count the number of characters of the supplier portion only. Shift F2. Let's put supplier count, character count. And then we will use the string reverse. Okay, sorry, that's it, string rib. And then product name, product name, and then the delimiter is this one, dash or hyphen, and then enclose. Okay, let's check. Okay, 12. So supplier until this one, letter D, so that is 12, including if there's a space, it is also included. So let's try, guys, the supplier. So supplier, let's shift F2. Okay, supplier left, because we will tick out the word, the word from the left side. So product name and then supplier count. Supplier count includes parentheses. Okay, let's check. As you can see, guys, there is the dash, it's included. So I will add the -1. Okay, that's it. Let's run. Okay, so now it's perfect, guys. So next, guys, is to get the value of the product name. So form design or query design. Now let us get the total number of characters of the products. So product count, let's put total character. Total characters minus this one, supplier count. Okay, let us check. Okay, 6. Let's try. So, name, right side. So, right side of the product name. And then, product count. Let's product count. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Let us hide this. Hide. Okay, guys. So, supplier, pineapple. So, supplier F and then pineapple. It's working. But let us add, like for example, EDS dash 11. And then supplier O dash tomato. So, this one, guys. So, it's perfect. So, those are the two methods that we can use. It's up to you which you're comfortable with. And if you have some questions about this, you can comment it down below. Perfect to comment, guys. I will try my best to answer it. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, guys. And that's all. Thank you, and see you to my next video.